Hello everyone, and welcome to Insider Insights Episode 1. And today we'll be in conversation with Miss Alina Tulsiani, who is a child psychologist. And we'll be talking on how to become a child psychologist in India. Plus, काफी सारी insights उनके experience से और उनकी practice से हम लोग लेने की कोशिश करेंगे. So I welcome all of you, and with this I also welcome मिस अलीना जी की आपने हमें टाइम दिया यहाँ पे आने के लिए.
No, thank you so much for having me here.
अलीना जी के लिए कि हम लोग मतलब मैं बहुत अचानक से अलीना जी से मिला एंड शी इज वन ऑफ द वेरी नॉट वन ऑफ द शी इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन जिनको मैं जानता हूँ विद द टाइटल चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजिस्ट. एंड आई ऑलवेज वंडर्ड कि हम लोग बहुत बार पढ़ते हैं चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी के बारे में, हम लोग बहुत बार टाइटल भी देखते हैं बुक्स में भी चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजिस्ट का, बट इट्स वेरी रेयर. मतलब मेरे आसपास तो मुझे रेयर लगा चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजिस्ट का टाइटल ढूंढना.
No, and you know, you're right when you say it is very rare because if you look, the comparison comes from how the title is used abroad versus how it is used in India. And there is a long history to it. Like if you look at how psychology per se on the whole is in India, it is something which I would say is still in its very nascent stages. It is only now that people are starting to realize the importance of having to go to a counselor or having a school counselor or going to a career guidance counselor. It has started now. Whereas abroad में तो ये सारी चीजें मतलब काफी हद तक काफी आगे तक हो चुकी है. And there are a lot of specializations abroad. So child psychology is a specialization abroad where you have a dedicated field of study over there. In India, considering how the whole scenario is, so you can only call yourself a child psychologist by virtue of experience.
बिल्कुल.
If you have worked with children and you decide that, okay, masters kar liya, some may want to go in for an MPhil, okay, fine, that's a good way to go. Some may want to start working immediately after their masters, like I wanted to. I thought ki theek hai, I mean, enough of padhai, abhi thoda practical kar liya jaye. And I'm really glad that I took that step up because what you learn in the outside world is something that no textbook can ever teach you that, and that experience is invaluable. So yes, in India, experience is paramount when it comes to calling yourself a child psychologist. And किस्मत भी देखो ना, बात ही ऐसे हुई कि experiences मुझे ऐसे मिलते गए कि बच्चों के साथ ही मिलते गए, कुछ बड़ों के साथ हुआ ही नहीं. And maybe because sometimes you sort of gravitate towards things or people who are like you, or maybe sometimes you are more comfortable with them. So that's how experience ke saath hote I entered into the field of being with children, including children with special needs, and therefore child psychologist. So this is how I am able to call myself a child psychologist. Technically, you will see, I mean, there are no clear-cut titles in India as such. So you have child psychiatrists also, but वो आपको सुनने में नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि it's not used as much. It also has to do with a lot of perceptions that people may have कि बच्चों को psychologist या psychiatrist की क्या जरूरत आके पड़ गई, उनकी तो stress free life होती है.
एंड थैंक यू सो मच अलीना जी कि आपने इंट्रोडक्टरी स्टेप पे ही हमें ये वाली चीज बताई. एंड विद दिस मैं आपसे एक बार रिक्वेस्ट भी करना चाहूंगा कि जो व्यूवर्स हमारे साथ में जुड़े हुए हैं वो बेहतर तरीके से आपको जान पाए, तो वुड इट बी पॉसिबल अगर आप एक बार इंट्रोड्यूस कर दें खुद को?
ओके, सो आई एम अलीना तुलसियानी. आई एम अ चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजिस्ट बाय 2010. So I started teaching first, and while teaching I simultaneously entered into practice. So it's a cumulative experience of close to 10 years now, and out of which 3 to 5 years has been in practice.
बिल्कुल. अलीना जी मैं
sorry
जी बताइए प्लीज.
No, currently I'm in Bangalore, and I have a young toddler, तो उससे काफी अच्छी प्रैक्टिस हो जा रही है.
जी, मैं एक्चुअली आपके बायो में देख रहा था कि पेरेंटिंग इज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स जो जिसकी तरफ
Yes.
आपका बहुत पॉजिटिव इंक्लिनेशन रहा है.
Yeah.
सो दैट इज समथिंग, वो
Yes.
मतलब या
Yes.
फील्ड फील्ड से आता है वो चीज, या फील्ड की वजह से अब वो चीज हो रही है.
It's both ways actually. It's actually both ways, and it's sort of difficult to say whether me being a psychologist has helped me to become a better parent, or maybe me being a parent has helped me to become a better child psychologist. You really cannot say. You really cannot say.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
अलीना जी, मैं सबसे पहला सवाल आपसे ये पूछना चाहूंगा कि व्हाट इज चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी एंड हु इज अ चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजिस्ट?
Okay, now child psychology deals with issues that children face. So typically you would have children up to adolescence. इन्हीं को हम generally child psychology में cover करते हैं. Though they may take children, after the age of 13 to 16, but technically you separately call them as child and adolescent psychologists just for the sake
जी.
of classification. Now, a child psychologist is anyone who will deal with all the developmental issues which come with a child who is growing. So that also needs to consider the physical development, the socio-emotional development, and also the context or the surrounding that the child is in. So a child psychologist would typically deal with associated behaviors with respect to certain developmental levels of a child. कि चलो अगर मेरे पास समझो कोई 2 साल का बच्चा आता है, पेरेंट्स से that he is throwing a lot of tantrums. At that point, I need to explain to the parents that it is positive and quite normal for a child of that age to throw tantrums, because the child is trying to establish independence at that point in time. But if a 8 or a 9-year-old का child का parent comes and tells me कि मेरा बच्चा tantrum throw कर रहा है, then I cannot say it is normal. I need to see, okay, by 8 or 9 years old, some self-regulation, some emotional regulation skills need to be in place for the child. So what is amiss over here and what can we work at? So this is exactly what child psychology does, that you see with respect to the development of the child, are the behaviors appropriate or not? And if not, what can be done? That is one aspect of it. The other aspect is for children who are not neurotypical children. Like say you have children with intellectual disabilities, you may have children with learning disabilities, or you may have children falling on the autism spectrum disorder. You will have to account that factor also, that because their development is not typical, you will find a few areas where they are going to show a significant difference compared to typically developing children, and how you need to address that. So a child psychologist in a nutshell is not doing anything very different. The only target audience is the child, and because your target audience is the child, your approach becomes different. अडल्ट के साथ क्या होता है, मैं आपके साथ बैठ के बात करूंगी, आप मुझे बता पाएंगे, because we have connection with our feelings, we are able to express ourselves better. Children are not able to do that, so we have to rely on their overt behaviors and the feedback that we get from their parents, or the other professionals, the teachers that work with them, and during the session try and make sense of whether this actually fits in with the child or not. So it is more complex, I would say so.
बिल्कुल.
Yes.
And साथ में अलीना जी, कितना इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी का रोल इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द चाइल्ड? मतलब how important child psychology as a discipline is, or as a practice is?
It's very important, and I cannot say how important it is. It is very important because your foundation starts from childhood. और अगर नींव सही नहीं होगी तो आगे चल के परेशानी आने ही वाली है. And it does not mean that there is something necessarily wrong with the child. No, child psychology doesn't take that into consideration कि ओ बच्चे में कोई गड़बड़ है. No, that is not the approach that you go in with. You realize that there is a certain pattern which needs to be followed with respect to development, and that's not happening. Why is that not happening? You try and understand the why and work around the why. So you don't label children in that. Most of the psychologist might find it very easy to adopt a diagnostic approach, you know, अच्छा ये डायग्नोस कर दो, ये हो गया। और फिर क्या होता है ना उसमें कि हम जो भी सारी चीजें है ना वो हम वो डायग्नोसिस को एट्रीब्यूट कर देते हैं, वो बच्चा खो जाता है। चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी इज गेटिंग द चाइल्ड बैक इनटू द पिक्चर, सो यू फोकस ऑन द चाइल्ड, द डायग्नोसिस इज जस्ट एन एट्रीब्यूट, इट इज नॉट द फुल चाइल्ड, सो यू नीड टू गेट द फोकस बैक ऑन दैट। एंड इसीलिए वो डेवलपमेंट का जानना बहुत जरूरी हो जाता है वो चीज में।
बिल्कुल।
हाँ
एंड अलीना जी, साथ में चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजिस्ट इंडिया में कहाँ कहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस करता है, किन एरियाज में प्रैक्टिस करता है और सेटिंग्स में प्रैक्टिस करता है?
They can practice anywhere, just like a clinical psychologist. So you have the hospital setting, you have the school setting, and you can have a private setting as well.
जी.
But from what I have seen in across my experience, the school setting works the best. Simply because when you are with the child in the classroom and you are facilitating the intervention when that behavior is happening, the learning is so much and the positive effect is much more than just having a child come to you separately, you know, for a session. वो बच्चे को तो कभी पता ही नहीं होता कि हम सेशन के लिए क्यों आ रहे हैं, which is the tricky part actually. That is the tricky part, because how do you explain to a child कि आपको यहाँ पे क्यों लाया गया है? बड़ों को तो बता भी सकते हैं, बट बच्चों को समझाना मुश्किल होता है। सो अ स्कूल सेटिंग बिकम्स द मोस्ट आइडियल सेटिंग इन दैट सेंस ओवर देयर।
बिल्कुल। एंड साथ ही में मैं ये आपसे जानना चाहूंगा कि क्या कुछ एनजीओज या कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं ऐसी जो इफेक्टिवली इसी चीज पे काम कर रही हैं, दैट दे आर वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट और ये देखना कि वो पॉजिटिव हो रही है ग्रोथ?
You will not have, in my knowledge, you will not have any NGO as such which will work exclusively on child development. So it is जैसे क्या कहते हैं, it is sort of taken for granted, you know, कोई स्कूल संभाल लेगा या घर में पेरेंट्स संभालेंगे या हो जाएगा, बट चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर अलग से as such इतना फोकस नहीं है. So you may have NGOs working for child rights, or you may have NGOs working for child education, or you know, saving them from trafficking, or helping them get a better, say, livelihood depending on what age they are at. But child development per se, nobody takes that into consideration. Nobody takes that into consideration.
And अलीना जी, जैसे आप शुरू में इंट्रोडक्शन में ये चीज बता रही थी कि कोई एक सेट डिफाइंड तरीका नहीं है जिससे हम एक चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजिस्ट बन सकते हैं. लेकिन ज्यादातर बच्चे, क्योंकि हमने जब आपका सेशन का प्रमोशन किया था, डाल रहे थे, तो काफी बच्चों का ये सवाल आ रहा था कि क्या मैं बैचलर्स के बाद कर सकती हूँ, क्या मैं मास्टर्स के बाद कर सकती हूँ, क्या मेरा फोकस रहना चाहिए अगर मैं आगे चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी में करियर बनाना चाहती हूँ?
Okay, that's a very good question, because this is pretty much the same question I had when I graduated from my master's, and it's a sad thing that nothing has changed much. मतलब जो सवाल मेरे पास थे वो सवाल आज भी उनके पास है, which shows that we are not progressing much. Ideally, there should have been some progress, but we're still there where we were 10 years back. So, you need a master's. Let's get that straight. Bachelor's is not going to be enough, because irrespective of whatever field you want to pursue in psychology, whether it is child psychology, whether it is clinical, counseling, industrial, you need a master's for that. So, master's to karna hi padega. Now, after masters, there are different routes as to how you want to go about it. You may decide to do an MPhil if you are more academically inclined and you know you want to study more and gain. You may feel that, okay, I need a little more knowledge before I go on to the field. MPhil is the route for you. Or you may want to be more of a practical person and say, okay, let me get into the field, let me work under someone. Okay, and then see how things work. That is also fine. So your initial 2 or 3 years after your masters need to be spent working under someone in the field. So masters is important. You cannot have anything lesser than that. And uske baad bhi, you need to make a conscious choice of, you know, who are the people who you want to work with. So जैसे मैं अपना एग्जांपल दे देती हूँ, I first started working in ADAPT, the Spastic Society of India in Bombay. Now they have an inclusive setup of schools, and वहां पे जाके काम करने से it gives you completely different exposure. See, no master's level is going to teach you how to handle children with varying abilities in a classroom setting. आपको हॉस्पिटल में इंटर्नशिप के लिए डाल देंगे, क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी में आपको जनरली हॉस्पिटल्स में डालते हैं. दे में पुट यू इन अ साइकाइट्रिक वार्ड, यू विल बी सुपरवाइज्ड बाय समवन, एंड बेस्ड ऑन हाउ यू डू, यू नो. सो यू नो डायग्नोसिस कैसे करना है, आपको पता है असेसमेंट कैसे करना है, इंटरवेंशन थोड़े हद तक बताएंगे. एमफिल में वो चीज पे ज्यादा फोकस रहेगा. बट when it comes to the real world, being in the classroom, that is something no course will teach you as such. So you really need to be there, and you need to make a conscious choice of how is this experience going to help me. So being in that classroom really helped me, because it made me realize that बच्चों के साथ when I used to deal with them during the internship, and when I'm dealing with them in the classroom, there is a vast range of difference that one can see in their comfort level and in their willingness to accept something that you are telling them. Setting में क्या हो जाता है, there is a sort of a barrier which comes in based on what they've been told by their parents, you know, कि अच्छा हम आपको डॉक्टर के पास भेज रहे हैं क्योंकि आपको ये XYZ प्रॉब्लम है. We don't know ना, पेरेंट्स उनको क्या बोल के भेजते हैं. They are young, they might not even open up to us in the first session कि मम्मी ने तो मुझे ऐसे बोल के भेजा या पापा ने तो ऐसे बोल के भेजा. So their expectations are not very clear as to what to expect from a session. We as psychologists cannot even tell them कि भाई आप में ना ये इश्यू के लिए मम्मी पापा ने आपको इधर भेजा है, क्योंकि वो फिर गड़बड़ हो जाएगी वहां पे. तो it becomes a very tricky situation. But in a school setting, it is very fluid, you know. And the child is already in that receptive mode of learning that, oh, okay, you know, I need to learn something. अच्छा अगर ये दीदी ने सिखा दिया तो अच्छा ही है. तो learning fast हो जाती है उसमें. So you have to work at the ground level with children. That's what I would say. Work with them at a ground level. The role of having a multidisciplinary team in this cannot be emphasized enough. Because we do not have a common curriculum for child psychology. You will have developmental psychology as a subject at an undergrad level, and you may study bits and pieces of it at your postgrad level as well. But when you're on the field, you need to know much more than what you have studied, which is what I learned in my experience at New Horizons in Bombay. We were working with a developmental pediatrician. Their view on the child's development is so good that, you know, it enriches you कि अच्छा हम ना बच्चे के behavior को ये point of view से भी देख सकते हैं. So that is why you need to work with different types of people. You need to work with a speech therapist, you need to work with an occupational therapist, a pediatrician if possible, क्योंकि उनके जो inputs आपको अलग अलग नजरिए से मिलेंगे ना, it will give you such a holistic view of child development, and it will give you such a sound clinical acumen that you will not feel that मैंने ना ज्यादा पढ़ के गलती कर दी या नहीं करी गलती, ऐसे आपको feeling नहीं आएगी, because you have that feeling of confidence. And I am not trying to underscore कि you should or you should not study further. The question is not that. The point is that for those who do not feel comfortable in studying further, or sometimes may not have the resources to study further, let's be practical. It is expensive, and it may not be possible for everyone to, you know, accommodate those expenses. But it doesn't mean that you need to give up on that. You have other ways. You just need to ensure that whatever work experience you choose adds value to what you want to become.
बिल्कुल.
Yes.
And अलीना जी, साथ में डिप्लोमा अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी ऑफर होती हैं चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी में?
Not that I know over here in India. So most of what I have done is after my master's and my work experience, you have a lot of these professional development courses which come up online. So I use that to develop my skills. See, we need to understand that nothing can take place of a degree. And that is why it is important that you need to do your master's or you need to do your MPhil, whatever you want to do. But you do not stop at that. You need
बिल्कुल
to keep on going on further and further and further. There are a lot of places from where we can learn. Countries around the world are making a lot of progress. So
बिल्कुल
why not take advantage of that? And if we don't take advantage of that, we will not be better at what we want to do. Because
बिल्कुल
हमारा education system उतना आगे बढ़ा नहीं है. But the challenges which we will face as a child psychologist are going to be with today's times. So
बिल्कुल
bullying is something which is not something we would have seen, say, maybe 10 to 15 years back. But now it has become very common. Every second, third child would have that complaint. Earlier for us, it was bullying is a more Western phenomenon. Now it is right here in our school.
बिल्कुल
You have a lot of talks happening. The recent whole Delhi episode, which we all read about. So
बिल्कुल
it is a lot of things, which were earlier considered to be हमारे देश की संस्कृति नहीं है या हमारे country में नहीं होता, वो सब हो रहा है. So we need to be
बिल्कुल
equipped with that. So I would say after whatever education you do, keep on doing these professional development courses.
बिल्कुल
You're not fooling anyone by saying कि ना मैंने ये degree करा है. You're being very very upfront in saying that this is my basic degree and as part of my development, these are the courses that I've done. That's fine.
बिल्कुल
Yeah.
एंड अलीना जी, साथ में आप कुछ ये प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंटल कोर्सेज के बारे में या प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगी कि बच्चे कहाँ से इस तरीके की चीजें एक्सेस कर सकते हैं? और ये सवाल के जवाब से पहले मैं
हाँ.
बताना चाह रहा था कि पता नहीं आपने नोटिस किया नहीं किया, लेकिन बहुत देर से और बीच में कई बार आपके पास ये इतने सारे दिल आ
Yes.
रहे हैं निकल के.
Yes.
एंड साथ ही साथ में कमेंट्स में बहुत अलग अलग तरीकों से कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया जा रहा है. मैं
Yeah.
स्नेहा के कॉम्प्लीमेंट से उसको सम अप कर देता हूँ कि हाउ ब्यूटीफुली आर्टिकुलेटेड एंड स्ट्रीमलाइंड योर थॉट्स आर.
Thank you.
एंड
Thank you.
ये सेम चीज मैं भी एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा था अभी आपसे बातचीत करते हुए कि कितने जेन्युइन तरीके से मतलब सारे के सारे विचार महसूस हो रहे हैं मुझे, और जबकि मैं तो
Thank
इतनी
you.
दूर बैठा हुआ हूँ. तो
Thank you.
इट्स
Thank
रियली
you.
गुड ये सारी चीजें जान के.
Thank you. Thank you.
तो अलीना जी, मैं जानना चाह रहा था कि बच्चे ये प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम्स या कोर्सेज कहाँ से एक्सेस कर सकते हैं? कोई ऑनलाइन अगर
Yes.
स्पेसेस का आप
So
बता पाए.
see, now there are two ways to look at it. Most universities in Delhi have a lot of these courses when it comes to child guidance and counseling. So one
जी
way is they can check up the universities online. The reason I said Delhi is because I was doing research for doing a few of these courses myself और मुझे सारे के सारे दिल्ली में ही दिखे. तो I am like, that's good. And for those of
बिल्कुल
you who are in Delhi, it's a very added advantage for you. So you just need to sort of search around whether they have
बिल्कुल
any courses like that. One way is to do that. The other way is you have a lot of these online sites like Open University, Allison, Udemy, where they give these courses. Again, keep in mind that these courses are not a substitute for whatever degree you want to do. So please do
बिल्कुल
not think that, अगर मैंने bachelor's की degree कर ली और कहीं से भी ऐसे diploma डाल के लगा दूंगी and I can call myself a child psychologist, it will not work. See, maybe people might not ask you. Maybe you may be good at being a child psychologist, but it's not ethical. And
बिल्कुल
कहीं ना कहीं होता है ना कि psychology is the only profession which I can say is the profession where you have to be true to yourself to be true to the other person.
बिल्कुल
If you are
बिल्कुल
not true to yourself, you cannot be true to the other person. You
बिल्कुल
have to facilitate growth in another person,
बिल्कुल
and if you yourself are having some blockages, you will not be able to do that. अगर आपको कहीं ना कहीं ऐसे लग रहा है कि नहीं, am I competent enough to do it, मैंने तो इतना किया ही नहीं है, क्योंकि आपने वो गलत तरीका अपनाया है डिग्री ना करने का और सिर्फ ऐसे ही डिप्लोमा डाल के एडवर्टाइज करने का, then that should not be the case. So I would always say
बिल्कुल
get your degree done, and then use these as development courses. So your foundation needs to be your degree, no matter what. बाकी
बिल्कुल
तो आप कहीं से भी कर लो. Also, you need to ensure that जहां से भी आप कर रहे हो, just as you do for colleges, just keep on checking the credentials, whether it's a good enough course, keep checking the ratings, check the
बिल्कुल
content of the course. Is it suitable to what you want to do? And then go ahead and doing the course.
बिल्कुल
Another important thing that I would want to bring about is that uh, we as psychologists, not only child psychologists, but psychologists by and large in India are a very fragmented unit. एंड आपको अपने करियर में कहीं ना कहीं आरसीआई का जिक्र आने ही वाला है, which is the regulatory body of standardizing curriculum for psychologists. Now, you need to understand where and how it came from and how it is going to impact you right now.
बिल्कुल.
It started off only for catering to the needs of those with disabilities or with special needs. And pehle Disabilities Act only covered 5 disabilities. So technically, those who were only dealing closely with the rehabilitation of, say, someone who has a motor disability or a visual disability needed to get themselves registered. But now as times are changing, and with the new Disability Act coming into the picture, and with the recent mental health bill, which if tabulated might become an act, it would become imperative that all of us at some point in time get ourselves registered. So what I would say is continuously keep on checking the site, because उनके criteria for registration भी change होते जाते हैं, and it's always better to keep yourself updated. Some of them may require you to have a certain amount of work experience before you can register yourself. Some will require you to have an MPhil degree and you get a direct registration. So a lot of people are not aware, and what happens is, because they are not aware of it, they go into the profession with the right intentions, but then they feel कि अगर हमको ये चीज पहले पता हो जाती तो law से problem नहीं होता था हमें. So all these things need to be taken into consideration as well. So keep in mind that yes, we do have a regulatory body for psychologists as well. It's known as the Rehabilitation Council of India. And just keep on checking that. उनके updates आप करते रहो. That will also give you a better idea as to how you need to progress into your career.
बिल्कुल. एंड साथ ही साथ में जैसे जब अलीना जी बता रही थी कि बहुत सारे ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूट्स भी हैं जो प्रोग्राम्स ऑफर करते हैं और गाइडेंस एंड काउंसलिंग में काफी ज्यादा करते हैं, तो पूजा मेंशन्ड निप्सिड. तो निप्सिड में आपको एक आरसीआई लाइसेंस्ड कोर्स अवेलेबल है विच इज ऑन चाइल्ड गाइडेंस एंड काउंसलिंग. तो वहां पे उनका फोकस बच्चों पे है, एडोलेसेंट बिहेवियर पे है. एंड उसकी अच्छी बात यह है कि ऑल ओवर इंडिया इट इज वन ऑफ द ओनली कोर्सेज जो आरसीआई लाइसेंस्ड भी है.
You know, but that is the sad part, because I was researching on that as well. It is only available, it is not available in the distance mode. It is available in, I think, Indraprasth University. उनका भी entrance exam होता है. So think about it, no? It is only giving an advantage to those who are staying there.
बिल्कुल.
What about other people? There are people around the country who want to become a child psychologist, but where are they getting the opportunities? There are no opportunities. If you look at how the RCI has been licensing and recommending colleges, there is a lot of it up north, some down south, और जो सेंटर है उसमें तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं है. So does that mean कि यहाँ से बीच से कोई psychologist नहीं बन सकता? There needs to be something. There need to be a few accommodations, and I believe they are making changes. So I guess we'll just have to keep on seeing what changes they are making. Yeah.
And plus number of seats इतनी ज्यादा कम है कि और मतलब कहने को तो सब इंस्टीट्यूट्स कहते हैं कि बहुत है, लेकिन अभी भी अगर क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजी में देख लीजिए या फिर जैसे निप्सिड वाले प्रोग्राम में, मतलब barely 30
25 15. Yeah. So where does that leave us? You know? And then another thing is, इसलिए तो prices भी बहुत ज्यादा होती है ना, कि आप अगर इतना afford कर पाओ तो आप जाओ उसमें. But everybody cannot afford it. 2 lakh, 5 lakh for a 1-year course. Most of us are middle class families, and for us that amount is something, is not कि हम लोग ना 1-2 महीने में recover कर देंगे. It amounts to a lot of savings that maybe our parents or we, if we've done internships, if we've been working through college, we have accumulated that. So you know, we would want to think wisely before investing in all of that, and that's the reason why you will have a lot of other psychologists, or you, in the sense like clinical or counseling psychologists, but child psychologist is a rarity. is a
बिल्कुल।
rarity. Yeah, yeah.
एंड ये तो अपने आप में मतलब मैं जब बता रहा था आपको कि सो सिंस लास्ट ईयर वी हैव बीन वर्किंग इन अलवर विद अलवर पब्लिक स्कूल, तो
हाँ
वी
हाँ
स्टार्टेड देयर एज अ ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम। हम लोगों ने एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम क्लास 9 से लेके 12th के लिए शुरू किया था, एंड देन धीरे धीरे बच्चों को काउंसलिंग प्रोवाइड करना भी शुरू करा एंड सारी चीजें।
yes
एंड
yes
देन देयर वी रियलाइज्ड अबाउट 6 to 8 months बैक दैट वी नीड अ चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजिस्ट देयर।
true
एंड हमने अथॉरिटीज को रिक्वेस्ट करी, बताया, बोला, एंड दे वर वेरी हैप्पी कि अगर इस तरीके का कोई व्यक्ति मिल जाता है। तब से लेके अब तक मैं किसी को ढूंढ रहा था, मैं
oh
थक गया ढूंढ के। और वो बाई चांस जब आपसे टकराया था, मैंने आपको ये मेंशन भी किया
हाँ
था
हाँ
इस वाली चीज के बारे में। तो इतना मतलब रेयर हो जाता है कि जो लोग फील्ड में है, मतलब मैं तो
हाँ
ये मानता हूँ कि मैं तो बहुत भागा दौड़ी करता रहता हूँ, तो काफी लोगों को जानता हूँ, और फिर
yes
भी मैं किसी से नहीं टकराया। तो ये अपने
No,
आप में वो
it
रेयरिटी
happens.
को।
I'll tell you why. Again, there is a reason for that. But before coming to that, I saw a very important question over here where someone said an undergraduate cannot register
हाँ
with
हाँ
the
हाँ,
RCI. Yes, you are right. An undergraduate, even a graduate cannot register. You need a master's for that. Minimum master's है.
बिल्कुल
But वो भी उनके criteria होते हैं. अभी you will have to just keep on seeing, you know, what criteria they've
हाँ,
updated. And उस हिसाब से आप register करा सकते हो.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
Yes,
जी।
yes. Yes, so
हाँ
we were coming to why there is a rarity simply because, like I said, psychology in India is very new and we are still trying to understand the importance of psychology. In Delhi Vimhans Hospital, you have Dr. Mona Lisa Palit.
ना, मुझे ऐसे याद नहीं होगा
हाँ,
मैम।
उनका एक मैंने आर्टिकल पढ़ा था which was again around a few years back and she also mentioned the same thing that there is a dearth of psychology courses in India. She herself has completed her masters I think from India, then she went abroad, completed her PhD and came back over here and then she started to work. But the point being over here is that it is a rarity because यहाँ पे क्या होता है, आप कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूशन में जाओ ना, कॉलेज में, राइट
बिल्कुल
फ्रॉम अंडरग्रेड लेवल दे विल बी लाइक साइकोलॉजी में मेजर कर लो, फिर मास्टर्स में आपको क्या चॉइस मिलेगा, क्लिनिकल मिलेगा, काउंसलिंग मिलेगा, इंडस्ट्रियल मिलेगा या सोशल मिलेगा, दैट इज स्टिल नॉट चेंज्ड। सारी
बिल्कुल
जगह पे बहुत सारी चेंजेस आ गई है। यू हैव स्कूल काउंसलर्स, यू हैव चाइल्ड काउंसलर्स, यू हैव समथिंग नोन एज केस मैनेजर्स फॉर एनजीओज, they are actually psychologists and depending on each child's case they are supposed to link the child with the necessary services, which is something what a social worker would do in our Indian context over here. But social worker social context को देखेगा, जो
बिल्कुल
psychological context है वो कौन देखेगा, उसके लिए तो आपको psychology की डिग्री चाहिए। So a lot of advances have been made all around us, we are just not opening our eyes and that is again another sad reality. So इसीलिए कोई टकराने भी नहीं मिलेगा। दे sometimes they might feel more comfortable also calling themselves as clinical psychologists क्योंकि it also becomes a matter of prestige. Oh, you're a clinical psychologist होना एक impression अलग हो जाता है, which is fine. I mean to each his own, आपको जैसे present करना है आप करो. Some may not even be dealing with children exclusively, that could also be one thing. Like you have school counselors and children, तो it somehow becomes expected कि वो school counselor देख लेगा, but parents are not very aware of the idea that you can, जैसे आप बच्चे को pediatrician के पास लेके जाते हो वैसे आप बच्चे को child psychologist के पास भी लेके जा सकते हो. They might ask any advice from the pediatrician and the pediatrician would be like okay ठीक है नहीं चलेगा, ये एज में नॉर्मल है तो आप छोड़ दो. So you know these are a lot of things that happen and I must say that a lot of things are changing also.
बिल्कुल
It is like we are in that state of flux. Let's see now where it takes us now.
बिल्कुल।
Yes,
एंड
yes.
साथ में अलीना जी, यहाँ पे कृति ने एक सवाल आपसे पूछा है कि मैम डू यू आल्सो प्रोवाइड ट्रेनिंग फॉर चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी,
No, I
या
do not
फिर
provide any training.
ट्रेनिंग या इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटी या कोई एक्सपीरियंस उस तरीके का?
See,
क्योंकि
right now I am practicing independently. So, to give you a little background, I have a young daughter and she's like just 2.5 now. So, she goes to school and I'm as a consultant in her own preschool over there. So, as of now, there are sorry, no opportunities for internships or anything. But if you do need any help, I can maybe suggest where you could try going for internships. In fact, any NGO with work with children, so say children with special needs, any inclusive schools you can go to, apply to them for internships.
बिल्कुल.
Also try and working with you must be having child development centers jahan pe you have a
CDCs, बिल्कुल.
yes, you understood that, right? You have a
जी जी
pediatrician
जी.
and you have a whole set
हाँ.
of other professionals working together. Get your internship over there. तो वो तो आपको मतलब in any state, anywhere you would be able to get it. If you know someone who is say maybe like a physiotherapist or you know, who works with someone else over there, just try grouping in with that person and say कि you know, मुझे थोड़ा observe करने दो या मुझे थोड़ा सीखने दो, और ऐसे करके आप सीखते जाओ. So that's one way you could go about it. बाकी no training from my side.
बिल्कुल. बाकी
Yeah.
वैसे आप कुछ टाइम में अभी क्या है ना मैम कि जैसे अभी बात करते हुए हम लोग जिस तरीके की इंसाइट्स दे पा रहे हैं, मतलब मुझे नहीं पता कि आपको कितना लग रहा है कि वो मीनिंगफुल होगा सामने वालों के लिए, लेकिन मुझ जैसा व्यक्ति बता सकता है देख के कि दिस इज लाइक हाई लेवल नॉलेज, कि मतलब ये चीजें एक्सपीरियंस से भी काफी टाइम में जानने को मिलती है. तो ऐसे में बच्चों के ऐसे सवाल आना कि आप इंटर्नशिप प्रोवाइड कर सके या कोई ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड कर सके या थोड़ा कुछ एक्सपीरियंशियल वर्कशॉप्स प्रोवाइड कर सके,
Yes.
तो आई नो कि टाइम शायद ना मिले, बट जस्ट एन ओपन सजेशन आपके
Yes.
लिए कि अगर आप प्लीज आने वाले टाइम में थोड़ा इस तरीके की चीज अगर कर पाए ताकि आपका टाइम भी थोड़ा बेटर इन्वेस्टेड हो विद सम पेड वर्कशॉप्स विद इंटर्नशिप एक्सपीरियंस
Yes.
और इस तरीके की
Yes.
चीज, सो दैट सम स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट टू गो इनटू द फील्ड,
Absolutely.
तो वो मतलब आपके एक्सपीरियंस से द बेस्ट ऑफ ले सके सारी
Yes,
चीजें.
and thank you for bringing that up. That is something I would want to consider in the near future as well. Thank you so much for that.
एंड आई गेस थोड़ा सा मैम को जल्दी पुश करने के लिए आप सभी को मैम
अच्छा.
के इंस्टाग्राम पे रेगुलर डीएम करते रहना पड़ेगा कि मैम आप कि जल्दी से आप ये चालू करिए, एंड आई एम श्योर कि मैम जल्दी चालू कर देंगी अगर आप रेगुलरली नज करते रहेंगे.
Yeah.
मैम साथ में जैसे आप बता रही थी कि जैसे आपने अडेप्ट के बारे में बताया, न्यू होराइजन के बारे में बताया जो कि मुंबई में है,
Yes.
तो ऐसे कुछ और ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के नाम आप बता सकती हैं जाकि ताकि थोड़े बच्चे अवेयर हों इस तरीके की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से.
No, nothing really comes to my mind right now, to be honest about it, because yeah, I mean, I was in Bombay for a very long period of time. So if you can
जी.
tell me about Bombay, I would be able to spring up a few names. But uske बावजूद भी, these were the two, like even in a city like Bombay, these were the two places where you know you could like really get very good experience. So that is why I was giving you a few broad areas कि आप कहीं पे भी जाओ ना, ये चीजों का होना जरूरी है. In Bombay, you also have a lot of psychologists who will take in sessions, but उनका क्या, it is the cabin approach कि बच्चा उनके पास आएगा. Now that is something which I was not comfortable with, so I did not even look forward for that. But in your area or in your vicinity, if you have any sort of a school or a special school which is working for children, or if you know someone, say maybe you know a special educator who is conducting some classes like that, just try and see कि can I come and observe you or can I come and be of some help to you. आप वो हिसाब से internship को देख लो. So take it in the literal sense of an apprenticeship, not an internship. So you shadow someone and you try and learn something from there.
बिल्कुल मैम. साथ में मैम मैं थोड़ा सा ये चीज भी जानना चाहूंगा कि अगर मान लीजिए आप चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी के फील्ड में काम कर रहे हैं या बच्चों के साथ में काम कर रहे हैं,
हाँ.
तो काफी बच्चों के कंसर्न्स रहते हैं कि सैलरी की टर्म्स में, अर्निंग की टर्म्स में किस तरीके की अपॉर्चुनिटीज हो सकती हैं या कैसे वो इस चीज पे और बेहतर कर सकते हैं.
Okay. Salary, if you are going to compare it with the corporates, the salary is not going to be at par. Upfront about it. Because even from the different job postings that we continuously see across portals, the highest that someone with an MPhil would be around 35 to 40,000 rupees per month. Assuming
बिल्कुल
you have completed your masters at the age of 22, you're completing your MPhil at the age of 25. So if you start with 30,000 per month is something that आपसे कम वाले ग्रेजुएट को मिल जाएगा if that person joins the corporate. So salary is a huge demotivator over there.
बिल्कुल
Even if you are doing it privately, there is a cap to how much you can charge people. You cannot charge people like say 1,500, 2,000 rupees for a 45-minute to a 1 hour session, because then they will not come to you no matter how experienced you are. I mean, we are
बिल्कुल
on both sides of the boat. हमको घर चलाना भी होता है, एंड जब खर्च करने की बारी है तो हम खुद 2 बार सोचेंगे कि अरे यार ये डॉक्टर तो महंगा है, इसके पास क्यों जाते, चलो कोई रीजनेबल वाले डॉक्टर के पास चले जाते. द सेम थिंग वर्क्स फॉर साइकोलॉजिस्ट एज वेल. सो
बिल्कुल
as it is, you know, there is scarcity with respect to people coming to you. उसके ऊपर money is another factor. So you have to be prepared for being paid less compared to others. And that is why it becomes important that as a child psychologist, you try and explore other avenues of how you can be helpful, not only at one place but at other places as well. So
बिल्कुल
don't sort of try to keep yourself to one thing. For doctors it will work, you know, they can be with a particular hospital for a very long period of time because their earning is different, you know, the pay scale is different. For a corporate it is different. For teachers, they prefer to be in a particular job is because it gives them job security and it gives them a lot
बिल्कुल
of perks. But for a psychologist, no, the situation is not very job friendly, if I would say it like that. So,
बिल्कुल
unless you're working with a corporate, now if you're going after the money, so they may offer you like say 40,000, 50,000 rupees a month, but आपको वो employees counseling कराएंगे. And most of the time, you may just be sitting in a cabin. Now, if
बिल्कुल
one is okay with that type of approach, वो भी ठीक है. But for someone who really wants to, you know, get that satisfaction of ki, I have invested so much in psychology,
बिल्कुल
I wanted to actually do something and make a difference in somebody's life, and I'm not able to do that. तो फिर आगे चल के you start getting these feelings and questions of what have I done with my education, and has my education been
बिल्कुल
so meaningful, पैसे के पीछे education का ऐसे ही कर दिया. Then all those things keep on coming in, which would come in with any other profession, but psychology के मामले में बहुत ज्यादा आता है because
बिल्कुल
payment is something which is really very less. It's not at par, so that is very upfront about it. Even if you आप स्कूल काउंसलर या ऐसे भी रहोगे तो भी आपको 20-25 से ज्यादा नहीं मिलेगा.
बिल्कुल
सैड पार्ट
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल एंड थोड़ा मतलब पॉजिटिवली चेंजेस भी आए हैं, लेकिन वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा वही जो आप बता रही हैं
हाँ
30-35 का एवरेज के
यस
करीब हो गया है.
यस
एंड
यस
उसमें भी मतलब आप जो टाइम की बात बता रही हैं, मास्टर्स के बाद भी अगर स्कूल काउंसलिंग की बात करें तो 1 साल का डिप्लोमा लग ही जाता है.
हाँ
तो
हाँ
तब भी मतलब टाइम फ्रेम में एक आधे साल का आगे पीछे कर दें, बट ऑन एन एवरेज वो
on
35 के
an
करीब
average
ही
it is
रह पाता है.
35. And
बिल्कुल
you know it, see what happens is like at least I remember when I decided I wanted to take in psychology as a subject after my 10th. So a lot of people told me, and this is in 2003, a lot of people told me कि पागल खाने में जाके पागलों को ठीक करना है क्या, वो नोशन था तभी. So
बिल्कुल
you can understand that perspectives have not changed that much. So people may realize कि okay, पागलों को ट्रीट नहीं करना, but अच्छा वो अभी क्या हो जाता है, स्पेशल बच्चे नहीं बोल पाते, अब नॉर्मल बच्चे नहीं बोल पाते, in the sense, you know, because they find it कि सामने वाले को कैसे लगेगा, तो they cover it and say कि अच्छा उस टाइप के बच्चों को कराना है, when they actually want to use those words कि स्पेशल बच्चा है या अब नॉर्मल बच्चा है. People still don't have an understanding of what we as psychologists do. तो child psychologists के बारे
बिल्कुल
में तो और भी कम understanding होने वाली है. So because there is lack of understanding, you don't know how important it is. Because you undervalue the importance, you're not going to pay them well enough.
बिल्कुल
And most of us unfortunately are in such a situation that we cannot bargain. We cannot bargain because we know that is the ceiling. उससे आप bargain करके भी कितना bargain करोगे? So that is something which I guess we will just have to make peace with. Unfortunately, that the pay is not going to be that great. It's not.
बिल्कुल. लेकिन आपकी बात से एक बहुत सुंदर चीज ये सुनने को भी मिली कि चैलेंजिंग काफी ज्यादा है लेकिन साथ में सेटिस्फैक्टरी बहुत है.
Yes.
मतलब
yes.
वो सेटिस्फैक्शन बहुत हाई है उस चीज का.
हाँ हाँ. The satisfaction is there, and again it is, you know, for people who are more internally motivated, in the sense that if they value the process more, for them, if those intangible rewards of, you know, seeing the child in front of you come out of a challenging situation and you have been a witness to that transformation, if that in itself is a motivator for you to perform better, then salary is not going to trouble you so much. But if you think कि नहीं मुझे बहुत ज्यादा पैसा कमाना है, तो आप ना ये सारी बारीकियां बहुत मिस कर दोगे. And I feel these are the most precious moments in your profession, because to literally witness a transformation of an individual right in front of you and you realize that वो किया उसी ने है, आपने कुछ नहीं किया, आपने सिर्फ उनको एक अलग नजरिया दिया है, एक अलग रास्ता दिया है. And to see them just make that flight into progress in itself makes you feel so good that कभी-कभी ये सारी चीजें ना आप छोड़ दो, आप लाइक ठीक है बाबा छोड़ दो, अभी पैसा तो 1 लाख कमाने वाला भी महीने में खुश नहीं होता. So it is again internal, depends on how you want to prioritize where your happiness comes from.
बिल्कुल. एंड अलीना जी थोड़ा सा क्योंकि 1 घंटे का ही सेशन का बार होता है, तो आप अगर अलाउ करेंगी तो कुछ 1-2 सवाल और कुछ क्वेश्चंस हम लोग नेक्स्ट सेशन में, इसके बाद ही मैं एक नया सेशन शुरू कर देता हूँ. ओके. एंड वी कैन कंटिन्यू इन दैट वन, अगर आपको ठीक लगे. हाँ. एंड प्लस अभी कुछ मिनट्स बचे हुए हैं सेशन में, तो खैर फीडबैक तो बच्चे अपने आप ही दे रहे हैं, आपको दिख रहा होगा सामने. तो मैं एक बार सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा कि आप प्लीज जो कुछ टाइम इसमें रह गया है, तो आप एक बार अलीना जी को अभी तक के सेशन का फीडबैक दीजिए कि अभी तक किस तरीके से चल रहा है सेशन, सो दैट हम लोग क्विकली एक नया सेशन शुरू कर पाए. सो प्लीज एक बार अपना फीडबैक प्रोवाइड करिए.
I again just came to see about an important approach of finding a child's intelligence based on their fingerprints. No, it doesn't work like that. It's all hogwash. Yes, it doesn't work like that. So maybe we'll elaborate on it in our next session.
बिल्कुल. एंड ये देखिए आप एक बार फीडबैक्स थोड़े से पढ़िए बच्चों के. और
yes, thank you. I am so glad all of you are enjoying it as much as I am interacting with all of you. Even though it's like you all are like an invisible audience to me, but your comments are really, really heartwarming. Thank you so much.
बिल्कुल मैम. हाँ, एक बार आप प्लीज कुछ देर और अपना फीडबैक देना चाहते हैं तो दे दीजिए, अदरवाइज आई विल स्टार्ट विद द सेशन. आई गेस काफी लोग दे रहे हैं तो. एंड जो आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं, हम लोग अभी मैं सेशन दूसरा स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, उसमें आप लोग अपने क्वेश्चंस ले आइए एंड देन वी कैन टेक अप क्वेश्चंस वन बाय वन.
यस.
बिल्कुल. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन. मैं सेशन शुरू कर रहा हूँ, आप लोग प्लीज उसमें दोबारा आ जाइए. अलीना जी आप भी प्लीज उसमें आ जाइएगा दोबारा. जी, थैंक यू.